In a certain recipe for pancakes, 42% of pancake batter is flour. Person doubles the recipe so that they're making 600 grams of pancake batter. How many grams of flour are used to make the pancake batter? Pancake batter. Okay, so 40%, 42% of the batter is flour, so I need 42% of 600 grams. Okay, so I'm going to calculate that by doing 40% of 600 plus 2% of 600. Okay, so 40% of 600, I could do 10% of 600, which is 60, and multiply that by 4, okay, to get 40%. And then 2% of 600, I could do 1%. To do 1%, you move the decimal place 2 to the left, so I get 6, and double it. So 2 times 6. So this would be 240 plus 12, which is 252 grams, option C.